Okay, here we are. Here's the wall is missing. We've taken out the wall. Here's where Mary is marking up for the new island, and spots on the ceiling for the lights, other spotlights she's marked. You can see the markings on the wall where she's decided what she needs and wants. And the flooring guys will be coming in next. They'll start in that corner over there. They'll run laterally across the house, and they'll work their way from that corner across the room and across the living room and then down the hall, and it'll all match all throughout the house. Juan has finished taking out the wall and putting in a beam. They're moving the electric around. We're moving the vent from here. It'll end up over here as part of the island. And we have, so here's that header. It'll end up wrapped in drywall. And Romaine Davis has done all the popcorn ceilings have been taken down throughout the house. He also has taken all the wallpaper off of the walls in the hall. And he'll be back tomorrow to finish that. They've cleaned up broom ready. And of course, Josh has been through to go through all the floors and eliminate all the squeaks that were in the floor. So they screwed down and nailed down the floors everywhere throughout the house. And Juan demoed the kitchen, took down the wall, and opened this up. And one of the beautiful things of this is right in the center of this wall is the center of that door. And during the daylight, out on the deck, that's exactly the center of the stairs going down off of the deck, which is beautiful. So lots of perspective. It also, from the eating area over here, opening that up, you can see fully down the hall, which worked out really well. And I don't know if you can see through the glass here to see. Probably not. You really can't see the deck out there, but the deck is all done as well.